सोच ले, यहाँ रहेगी कि टेसन ही अच्छा
This
था?
is nicer. Probably got plumbing too.
Maybe she can take a shower.
Where's she gonna sleep though?
भूख लगा है? आटा पड़ा है, रोटी बना ले।
She seems hard on the outside.
अकेले रहती हूँ दादी।
भगाए दिया सबको, मर्द बेटा सबको। एक तो साला सब बैठ के हमारी कमाई खाए।
Yeah, she has no love for men.
डर नहीं लगता अकेले?
खुद का साथ अकेले खुशी से रहना बहुत मुश्किल होता है फूल।
Ain't that the truth?
पर वो एक बार सीख लिए, फिर कोई तुमको तकलीफ नहीं पहुंचा सकता।
I get scared living on my own.
हम कल कुछ बना दो का दुकान खातिर? कुछ हो मीठा?
रसोई पर आया है, ठीक से बना सकेगी?
फराया रसोई को अपना बनाना, ये तो चीज सिखाई है हमारी अम्मा।
अच्छा सुन, भोगरा, भोगरा है का गाँव का नाम? भोरा बना के रख दी हम सब।
Looking for flowers.
I didn't realize that Mogra is a flower. I want a samosa. I want food. They keep eating this entire movie. I need some food. I didn't realize what we were getting ourselves into here.
कलाकंद खाओ।
बस 5 रुपए था, उनका समोसा खा लिए।
Free.
एक चम्मच फ्री है, ले लो।
दादी पहले आप तो चख लो।
मुंह मीठा करे जैसा कुछ खास है नहीं हमारी जिंदगी में।
Oh, is it good?
इस वक्त मंदिर काहे आई हो?
Yeah, why does she keep going to the temple?
पूरा इलाका में यहाँ मोबाइल का टावर ऊंचा पकड़ता है।
Oh.
Who's she calling?
If he was an honest cop, they would have found Pool already.
Why do you think that?
Because then he would have said, oh, he would have called the other guy and been like, so there's this girl.
Oh,
It's
gotcha.
super sus.
Gotcha. Yeah, you're right.
Go check out this station. He would have found her already.
बेचना नहीं, जरूरत पड़ा तो लेने आएंगे, समझे?
अरे बहुत ज्यादा छेड़ी है, बहुत सियानी लेडी है।
I don't understand her game.
जाने कहाँ से ये आई है, इसके पीछे सी आई है और आगे सी भी आई है।
Wow, she's good.
कर देगी तावान करता है शौकुआ, एक कन्या पे डौकुआ, एक कन्या पे डौकुआ, मन करता है।
Bus ticket?
Yeah.
अब तुम्हारी दोस्त लोग कीटनाशक छिड़क दो तो शायद फसल बच जाए। हम देख लेंगे चाचा जी।
कीटनाशक जहर होता है।
Yeah.
कीड़ा को तो मारेगा, पर धान का पोषण भी मार देगा। कीड़ा को मारने का और भी बहुत तरीका है।
अब चप्पल लेके एक एक कीड़ा कहाँ तक मारिएगा?
हम स्टिकी ट्रैप का बात कर रहे हैं। तेल के डब्बे का एक तरफ का पतरा साफ करके उसको पीला रंग लगा दो।
It'll track the bugs because of the color.
रंग सूखने के बाद उस पर गोंद या लाई लगाकर उस पतरे को फसल के एक हाथ ऊपर खड़ा कर दो। ये जो कीड़ा है ना, पीला रंग से आकर्षित होता है, खुद ही आके चिपक जाता है।
तुम बहुत कृषि दर्शन देखी हो का?
Yeah.
हमारे बाबूजी का बहुत बड़ा खेती है, शहर से लोग सिखा कर गए थे।
She gave away too much info. She got comfortable.
हेलो, हम बबलू बोल रहे हैं।
Uh-oh.
ई कहाँ से आया?
हमारा है।
तो छुपाया कहाँ थे?
This kid is sharp.
छुपाए कहाँ थे?
गद्दे के नीचे था। अम्मा से वही छुपा दिया। लेमन का गोली, खुला पैसा और बाबा का फोटो भी।
Smart kid.
छुपाए नहीं तो सबको दिखा दे। अम्मा।
Yeah, I knew it. I was
Snakes and
like,
ladders.
show him the snake game.
Snakes.
It's
Oh,
a great game.
It's just
It's just
Snakes
called
and Ladders.
Snake.
I know. What is Snakes and Ladders? Snakes. Yeah, I used to play that a lot.
तुमको रोज थोड़ी देर खेलने देंगे, पर किसी को इसके बारे में बताना नहीं।
Oh, it's just a picture.
Uh-oh.
ये आप बनाई हैं?
I thought she was going to be upset.
Yeah.
बबलू के पापा हैं, सरवन कुमार।
I knew it wasn't her father. It was the kid's father.
इनका अकेले का एक ही फोटो था, वो राशन कार्ड में लग गया। देखने का मन करता था, तो क्या करते, खुद ही बना लिया। अच्छा, हम स्टिकी ट्रैप लगा कर आते हैं।
What?
Yeah, she's like,
There's so many things going on. I'm like, it's like the itch I can't scratch. Like, come on.
किसी हेमा त्रिपाठी को 5-5 हजार का 5 गो मनी ऑर्डर भेजिए, आलम सराय में।
He's always taking photos of the back of her head.
इसे तुम्हारे दिमाग का एगो लिमिट है ना?
Does he think it's her
भारत
pimp?
सरकार भी मनी ऑर्डर पर लिमिट रखी है 5,000 तो 5-5 हजार करके 25,000 भेज।
सर, हमारा गट फीलिंग कहता है ना, इसका व्यवहार ठीक नहीं है।
yeah, you think?
यार दीपू को बात बोले, आज 4 दिन हो गया भौजी को खोए हुए। हम सब मिलकर ढूंढे, उनको इज्जत से ढूंढे, पर अब नहीं मिल रही तो क्या करें?
Have you looked everywhere?
भौजी का ठीक ठाक होना अब हमको थोड़ा मुश्किल ही लग रहा है। अरे दल्ले घूमते हैं गली गली।
He's putting the worst ideas in his head.
तो अब समझा ही ले मन का, चुपचाप पुष्पा के साथ बियाह कर ले।
ये पगला गया है का?
It's been 4 days.
साला ही भौजी के कारण दारू पिए बैठा है। पता चला कोनो और के साथ टिक के इमली खावत है।
How rude!
Hey, Deepu!
Okay, okay.
अरे तुम तो दिल पे ले लिए भाई।
Yeah, you don't say that about his wife.
दीपू रुक जा।
दीपू।
Oh God. Don't ride your bike when you're drunk either. No drunk driving, no drunk biking. Oh, she's getting ready to go. Grandpa's gonna wake up.
Stay alert. Every time she goes outside, some activity. The cow, the grandpa. Oh, she makes it bad for him. What are you doing out here?
Oh. Aww.
फूल
Is she gonna find her, do you think?
She has the information. She knows what
Yeah.
station she was supposed to get off at. She's so good with the farming and all this
Yeah,
stuff. It's
she
like,
would have known.
ये देखो हम बनाए। अरे हमरे लिए एक तो फोटो बनाओगी? हाँ।
Oh, you could stay here. Oh, there it is.
ये देखिए।
Jackpot.
okay, so what is this?
So what are you gonna do?
फोटो मिल गया, धन्यवाद।
कंगन भी जया का ही है। प्रदीप की माता जी आइडेंटिफाई कर ली।
He has no care in the world about the other wife.
दिखाओ।
जया।
तृतीया के दिन का ब्याह हुआ था। शादी के बाद कुल शादी का जेवर लेके दुल्हन फरार। इतना दिन से तुम्हारा घर में कहाँ रह रही थी जानते हो? पुलिस से बचने के लिए।
नहीं, झूठ है ये।
छुपाई थी।
Dang, Auntie just gave her up.
तुम्हारे पास ही फोन था? तुम खुद अपना घर खबर काहे नहीं की?
इस कहानी के सारे किरदार काल्पनिक है। न कोनो बाबूजी था, न कोनो पंकज बाबू है, पेशेवर चोर है ये।
Oh.
हम कोई चोर वोर नहीं है। दीपक, हमारी बात सुनो।
कहाँ है अपना नाम पुष्पा बताई?
It's a good question.
वो कंगन ले जाके उस सोनरवा अग्रवाल को बेची ना दे। वो पैसा मनी ऑर्डर की अपने गैंग मेंबर हूँ।
She sent it to her family.
साला धोखा देने का भी कोई लिमिट होता है कि नहीं?
हम तुम्हें धोखा नहीं दिए हैं दीपक। एक बार हमारी बात तो सुनो।
बहुत बेवकूफ बना रहे तुम पुष्पा।
इस चोरी का गहना बरामद हुआ है।
ये हमारा गहना है। दीपक हमारी बात सुनो, हम कुछ नहीं किए।
Yeah, she's got another side to her story.
दरोगा जी हमको जाने दीजिए। हमारा गहना पैसा सब रख लो, लेकिन हमको जाने दो। दरोगा जी एक बार बात सुनिए ना।
The only thing that makes him someone to root for at this point is the fact that he's like loyal.
Hello,
Yeah.
And very passionate about finding her.
ठीक। जय।
He's sending her to like an abusive situation.
हम कहाँ सुने रे? वो पुष्पा जी को पुलिस ले गई।
उसका नाम पुष्पा नहीं है, जया है।
कौन ठग गैंग की चोर निकली?
उन चाची को अगवा की है।
She kidnapped Auntie
अगवा की होती तो फूल भौजी को ढूंढ काहे रही है?
Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
see?
Oh my gosh.
ये कौन बनाया?
हमसे बनवाई वो। हम देखे थे ना फूल भौजी को ब्याह के वक्त।
अरे सदर बाजार में कंप्यूटर पे ही भौजी का पोस्टर बनवाई।
Oh shit.
मंजू भाई, यही लड़की है का?
पढ़ के
Don't
बता।
lie.
फूल कुमारी मिले तो संपर्क करो। दीपक कुमार, गांव सूरजमुखी।
Oh!
सूरजमुखी। दादी हमने ससुराल गांव का नाम सूरज।
Is that a flower?
Yeah, sunflower.
Oh, because her phone is confiscated.
ये नंबर पे कोई फोन उठा नहीं रहा है।
Shit. But at least you know the name of the village now.
ये अमरेली कटरिया खड़ी है, वो जाएगी मूर्ति। भेज दे इसको।
On her own?
She's got money now.
I know, but by herself?
I know.
She could get taken advantage of.
आते रहेंगे दादी। अभी टेसन हमारा दूसरा माइक है।
Oh, now she's attached.
जीती रह, खुश रह।
Huh.
Yeah. Quickly.
Go, 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 go.
यहाँ से नवा बड़ा
Yeah, don't fall asleep this time.
भैरवा के बाद आएगा। मूर्ति गिनती रहना।
Oh man, I'd be a wreck if I was that grandma lady. You get all attached.
बोलो।
Okay.
हमें शादी नहीं करना है, हमें खेती बाड़ी के बारे में पढ़ना है। बस शादी है हफ्ता भर में, खेती देखेगी तो चूल्हा चौकी कौन करेगा? पति तुम्हारा।
He could.
देहरादून जाकर कोर्स करना चाहते, ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग का नाम सुनी हो? आज से 10 साल बाद उसका डंका बजेगा। अम्मा ये लिखवा के ले लो हमसे।
She's ahead of the curve.
अच्छे घर का लड़का है, अमीर है, प्रेम से बात करोगी तो शायद आगे
Wow.
पढ़ने भी देगा, और अगर आगे नहीं
Yeah.
पढ़ने दिया तो भाग्य तुम्हारा।
This is tough because I get the perspective of the parents. They're just trying to take care of their kids, but at the same
Yeah.
time, it's so frustrating.
तुम्हारे बाबूजी की कसम।
No interest in what the kid wants at all.
शादी के वक्त हमको रिश्तेदार से पता चला कि बच्चा ना होने के कारण प्रदीप की पहली बीवी जलकर मर गई।
That's brutal. That's
जल गई
gross.
कि जलाई गई वो भगवान जाने। दहेज में 10,000 रुपया कम था तो सबके सामने हमारी माँ को गाली दे दिया। अब ऐसा आदमी हमको आगे कहाँ पढ़ने देता?
No.
आप पुलिस की नजर से देखे इसलिए आपको हर बात में चोरी दिखी। हेमा त्रिपाठी बहन है हमारी।
Oh, okay.
कंगन बेचकर मनी ऑर्डर भेजे दीदी को ताकि वो कोर्स और हॉस्टल का फीस भर सके।
Yeah.
कंप्यूटर की दुकान से कोर्स का एप्लीकेशन प्रिंट किया। 3 दिन में कोर्स शुरू हो रहा है हमारा।
इतना झूठ बोले, एक बार सच ही बोल देती।
सच बोलते तो काम मान जाते।
They would have sent her straight back to her husband or to her family.
यहाँ से भी निकल ही रहे थे पर फिर दीपक को फूल के लिए इतना परेशान देखा तो लगा मदद करनी चाहिए। तभी तो फूल का पोस्टर छापे ताकि कोई अगर पोस्टर पड़ा हो तो हमारे फोन पे।
Is she gonna turn up right now?
हमारा फोन किधर है? कोई पोस्टर पढ़ के फोन किया होगा।
सर
Come on, sir, be a human. Did they leave a voicemail? Do they have voicemail?
12 मिस कॉल।
Wow.
आप अब नंबर लगाइए ना।
हेलो, अरे काई नंबर पर फोन किए थे का?
They're gonna go to the station.
और फूल कुमारी? हाँ जी फूल कुमारी। हेलो, आपका आवाज कट रहा है। हेलो।
God,
Get
this
to
is
the
service.
temple.
कहाँ? हेलो, पतीला स्टेशन।
Oh my
He's
God.
gonna go to Patila Station, isn't he?
To try and get there.
लगता है पोस्टर काम कर गया। फूल कुमारी है पतीला स्टेशन। चलो दौड़ो सब।
See?
अरे मैडम आप कहाँ? चोर नहीं हो।
But
पर शादीशुदा है। पति रपट दर्ज किया है तो केस तो क्लोज करना पड़ेगा।
का मतलब?
प्रदीप आ रहा, तुमको लेना।
oh damn.
हम नहीं जाएंगे उसके साथ।
वो नहीं जाना चाहती और वो नहीं जाएगी।
तुम्हारी बीवी फिर से गुम जाए उसके पहले तुम जाते हो कि इसके साथ तुमको भी रोक लें। चलो निकलो।
Oh God.
इंस्पेक्टर मनोहर, प्रदीप सिंह पतीला से।
आई बैठी बैठी।
What's he gonna do? What's he gonna say?
फिजूल का बदनामी होगा ये सोच के हम पेपर वर्क किए नहीं। अब आप ही बताइए काहे का केस बना है? चोरी का, भागने का या खो जाने का?
It's a fat wad of cash.
खो जाने का।
ठीक। बेला जी, जया को लाना।
Is this cop gonna have an arc?
और पीटी उषा। काना किधर है?
बहना इधर। एकरा में से एक कंगन वो पहले बेच चुकी।
कंगन तो फिर से वसूलेंगे तुम्हारी अम्मा से।
Damn.
Wow.
अब वो मिली वो एक बात। अब मैडम लौटना नहीं चाहती।
Oh, here we go.
ये वो नया और अलग मसला है। एक है कि मैडम बालिग है।
What's this?
It's a handkerchief.
जबरदस्ती तो नहीं कर सकते। अरे अभी तुम्हें जो क्यों ना थाना में दहेज लेने का बाद औरत पर हाथ उठाने का हिम्मत। यदि फिजिकल अब्यूज और दहेज का केस दर्ज करवा देना तुरंत आपको हमको अंदर करना पड़ेगा। खुद को मिला के 1, 2, 3, 4 गवाह हैं इस कमरे में।
He's all happy.
आखिरी मौका दे रहे हैं, आपस में सुलह कर लो, नहीं तो जाओ जेल, कोर्ट कचहरी का झंझट पालो या चुपचाप इस लड़की को यहाँ से जाने दो।
Give her her jewelry back too, please.
हम आपको देख लेंगे, बता दे रहे हैं।
ऑन ड्यूटी अफसर को धमकाना समझ रहे हो? कौन धारा लगेगा? काहे अपने लिए परेशानी बढ़ा रहे हो मेरे भाई? हैं?
Give her back the jewelry.
Where's the jewelry, bro?
अरे सुनो सुनो,
Come back here.
गहना दे जाओ नहीं तो चोरी
Yeah.
का भी केस लग जाएगा।
Rude.
और हमारा पैसा?
Oh.
वो रिश्वत दिए थे का? अरे दुबई थाना में रिश्वत दिया इनको। पकड़ इसको, घुस अंदर।
Keep the cash.
जेल में ठोक दे। बड़ा साले को। तेरी माई।
Oh, I feel for her. Oh.
ये हमारा नहीं है। और अब ई भी। चलते हैं।
Oh. Don't lose any of it.
ये गाड़ी पतीला जाएगी क्या? अरे जल्दी बोलो बे। वो तो कब की निकल गई? ये अमरेली जाती है।
So she's here. She's on the other side.
पतीला की अगली ट्रेन कब है? रात को है 9 बजे।
She's on the other side.
बस ले ले।
She's on the other side. She said his name. Oh.
Are you real?
Oh.
Let's all party.
आप भी खाओ ना मंजू भाई।
Yeah, you deserve it too.
Yeah. Oh, she has something to celebrate now.
It's the best.
आप नहीं होती
Without her, you would never have been lost either, to be
True.
fair.
अगर तुम नहीं होती ना, तो हमको हम नहीं मिलते।
But I mean, in a way, she grew as a person while she was
Yeah.
lost, so it all worked out.
Exactly.
चलते हैं।
There we go.
अपना घर समझ के आती रहना। हम सबको तुम्हारा इंतजार रहेगा। चिट्ठियां लिखने चले जाओ।
Oh, she made like a whole new family, new friends and everything.
That was cute.
That was lovely.
I can say, without a shadow of a doubt, it's quite kidney touching.
Kidney touching?
You never heard that?
No. What is that?
That's something I saw a couple times where it's like, instead of saying it's heart touching, it's kidney touching. I don't know what it means
Why?
exactly. Like, sarcasm, dialogue, kidney touching. So anyway, they'll get it. You won't.
Okay.
I'm more Indian than you, apparently.
Sure,
I thought-
yeah, you are,
So,
definitely.
it's got a great cast of actors who I have not seen before, and I think that's by design because
Mhm.
all newer actors are relatively unknown.
Yeah, I think you're right. That is by design because I totally believe them as the characters. They did such a fantastic job. I thoroughly bought into this story that takes place in these small villages in India. We learned a lot about culture, about like their specific culture as we were watching it. It was just so delightful, just so heartwarming seeing the relationships between the different characters and also the growth that these characters experience throughout the course of the story.
We did learn things because as long as we have been watching Indian films or Asian films in general, there were things being explored in the story where I was like, why is that a problem? I don't understand why that would necessarily be an issue to do. And to be totally honest, I still don't fully get it because they never quite spelled it out other than it's a rule, you know, it's a cultural
Right.
thing that you're not supposed to do.
Well, not only that, like the story takes place in 2001, so
Things
it's
may
like
have changed
over
since
20
then.
years ago.
Yeah, that's true.
You know, I don't know how much has changed as far as attitudes and whatnot go in villages. I felt like this movie was a very sweet and heart-touching movie. It's got like a really nice sort of like female-centric feminist message as well, but I don't feel like it's really hitting you over the head too hard with it.
I didn't really look at it as like any sort of feminist propaganda. I just looked at it as these characters went through this thing, and that's why this character's talking about this thing and her own experiences, and she's trying to impart knowledge based on things that she has gone through. It's not necessarily like an agenda agenda that the film has. It's just part of that character's experience.
Right. I just feel like it's just trying to show, especially for maybe an audience that lives in a small town or village, like there are other options for you out there. You should and you can go after your dreams.
Yeah, going back to the thing that you mentioned earlier, I think that while the casting here is all unknowns, I actually really enjoyed all the performances, much for the same reason that you had mentioned. I liken it to a film called United 93, as I understand had mostly unknowns, and so it allowed you to kind of buy into the reality of it a lot more easily. It almost felt like a documentary in a way. And so it got to the point where I was watching the movie going, did this actually happen? You know, I legitimately was asking myself that because the characters, flaws and all, it felt very real, the moves that they were making in the story. Sometimes to my frustration, because I was like, well, just clearly, wouldn't you do this? You know, some of the characters weren't doing the smartest moves. But I will say that by the end of the story, I was kind of championing everybody, you know, including the characters that I wasn't expecting to. There were arcs that took place during the course of this movie where I was like, oh my gosh, like I'm actually liking this person now. The film misleads you by setting up certain things. It does a very good job with having character arcs in the story. It's just that, like, my main dude in the story, I was getting very frustrated with him because he wasn't doing moves that I felt like were logical or asking questions that I felt like were logical. It seemed like he was just kind of going in circles the entire film. And I'm like, dude, come on. Outside of that, you were part of this company of people for like 2 hours and it was cool. It was fun to hang out with them, you know?
Yeah, and you really cared about the characters. Like you really wanted things to work out for them. We spent time with them and they were really sweet. They were fun and they were funny. You're right. At times it was incredibly frustrating, some of the moves that were pulled, but I think it just lent to just the overall feel of the movie as a whole.
There were two characters that stood out to me in particular, or I should say actors. The actor who played the cop and the actress who played the older lady who ran the stall. It was just very, very layered. Not that anyone else did a bad job. Everyone did a great job in this movie.
Yeah.
But those two in particular just showed me layers I wasn't expecting to see during the course of the story. In particular, I guess if I had to rank someone at the very top, it would be the lady who runs the stall, because she has a very like hardened exterior, but like there's stuff explored with her where I was like, oh my gosh, like she's touching me, like the way, like her performance.
The movie kind of gives you enough that you as an audience member can kind of piece her backstory together, even though maybe the movie doesn't actually tell you beat for beat exactly what happened to her to make her the person that she is, but like we get it. And I think that's really great storytelling and also really great acting on the part of the actress, because she knew that whole backstory, and as a result, we all felt that with her.
One of the things that's explored here that you kind of touched on earlier was the notion of like pursuing your dreams and being allowed the opportunity and freedom to pursue your dreams. This is not the first movie to explore that idea or that topic by a stretch. For some reason, every time we go back to that topic, it does feel fresh in a way, because it's still this ongoing issue that a lot of people experience, where they want to do something with their life. And I've experienced this as a kid as well. You're trying to go on a particular path that you know is right for you, but you're being stifled or inhibited by your parents, who are like, you know, you should do this right here. This is the thing you're supposed to do. And it's like, come, I know what I want though, like clear as day, like this is what's for me, and you're trying to put me on this thing over here, which is not right. And I'm glad that they talk about that. I think that's an important message. It's probably more crucial in India than it is over here.
Right.
You know, because over here you're raised on the belief that maybe you could become president someday.
Exactly.
You know?
Yeah.
Whereas in India you have people who end up on this path to be an engineer or a doctor or a lawyer, because that's the trifecta of career opportunities.
In this film, I think also it's looking at the role of a woman and how she functions within society. I imagine that this is probably more prevalent back in the early 2000s and before that than now, but maybe that's still the case, where it's like, oh, as a woman, your main function is to get married and become a wife. And after you become a wife, then you become a mother. And there's all this preparation that goes into training a young girl for that role. All she becomes is that role. That is her whole identity. And she forgets who she is, who she was, what her desires, what her dreams were, and all of that. So I think it like gives a nice reminder of like, hey, you're an individual as well. You have your own needs and desires, and you are valuable in your own right as a person.
I just remembered that part of the advertisement campaign for this was championing I guess, feminism to a certain degree,
Mhm.
or women, like it was for Women's Day or something. I think that came up. Like this is a very like.
It is a very female-centric
It's a very
movie.
yeah.
It's like, it's feel good, you know,
Yeah.
because it's just talking about, you know, women just doing stuff and making it happen.
Okay, so I think it's important to state, outside of our main guy, they didn't make all the men in the movie bad. In fact, the main guy himself is actually a really good dude.
He's a really good dude.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah, because often what happens here is that you make the men completely inept, completely stupid, and the women are just Mary Sue's. They're untouchable. They're
Yeah.
invincible. And that's definitely not the case here. What I like about this, that we aren't doing over here necessarily in the States, is that while it has a feminist perspective on things, or a feminist hope, shall we say, it's not putting down men necessarily in the effort to illustrate these ideas.
Right.
And I think that's really important. There is a dude in this movie who's bad, but like, so what? Just like,
Well, yeah, there's bad dudes out there in the world, as
Yeah.
there are bad women out there in the world.
Precisely. Overall, I really liked the film. I thought it was quite nice. It touched me, and it had a nice message to it. I do feel like it could have been shorter. It felt like there were things that lingered in the film that, like, you could have chopped that fat off, you could have chopped that fat off, and this could have been 90 minutes, and it would have been the same exact movie. But it still, you know, touched me. I thought that was cool.
Yeah, it was really sweet. I really enjoyed it.
You guys, thanks so much for hanging out. I'm Jabby Kuwait. This is
Achara Kirk.
Peace out.